Hello YouTube, how you guys doing today? Today we are making cherry jam.
Yeah. Hey.
And with me is my helper Violet.
Yeah, we gotta do like this. You open like this.
Okay.
And then we don't have to eat the parts. We gotta put them like this and like this.
Alright, then what do we do with the cherry? That's right.
And then we dump them and put them in there.
We've done a lot of cherries, huh?
And then we got a lot of cherries.
Alright.
We don't have to eat those parts.
That's right. And so whenever we get done doing this, then what you'll do is you'll add some sugar.
And some sugar, yes.
And so we're gonna go with some pure organic, non-GMO
Yep.
sugar. Very healthy. And we're not going to be using any pectin either for this method. In fact, we're going to zest a lemon and squeeze the remainder of that juice into here. And we will boil it down and chop it up with a little blender, a little hand mixer. So
Yeah.
look at Violet go. Want to say hi to him?
Hi. Hi, YouTube videos.
How old are you?
How old are you?
No, how old are you?
I'm 5.
Yep, you are 5. All right, and we will do another part of this video because boiling it down, you just keep adding a little bit of water and get it to the consistency that you like, and that is pretty much how you do it, and then you can it. So,
Yep.
all right, thanks guys. We'll show you in a little bit.
I love you.
All right, so we are now back. We're gonna kind of go over a little bit. It's been boiling for a little bit. Now it's time to add our sugar. All right, and I'm doing this one-handed, so we don't really measure around here.
Can we help?
You are helping. Okay, that's probably good. So I don't even really know how many pounds of cherries.
Smell like strawberry.
It does smell good, huh?
No.
So, but yeah, it does take quite a bit of sugar to help thicken it up. So this tool is amazing. One of these little chopper things.
Help?
They are amazing. No,
I want to help.
no, this is very hot, dude.
I won't.
So now we're going to speed the process up. I mean, if you don't have one of these things, then you can use a like a potato smasher, and we did that at first. And you know, it just takes a lot longer. But yeah, if you have one of these, just smush it. Just save a lot of time. I've never really done it in hot things, so I don't know. Who knows? We might just ruin this.
Wow.
Cool, huh? Alright, so as you can see, we've used our little mixer to kind of puree this cherries and sugar, so sorry, I don't know how loud that is on the
Can I
video.
taste it?
No, we don't taste it. It's hot right now, dude.
How about that one?
She's so ready for jam.
Can I taste?
Yeah, you can definitely taste sugar, but hang on. Watch out, buddy. So anyway, so now we've got it at about, I'd say a little bit low, medium. And you're just going to let that kind of thicken up and let a lot of the water boil out. We didn't really add a lot of water at all. That's a lot of cherry juice. And so, you know, that's definitely got to cook down. And
That's so awesome.
it is awesome, huh? But so whenever you end up, whenever you add the lemon, and you just kind of zest some of the peel.
Cake.
Yeah, you just kind of zest some of the peel into it, and you squeeze the lemon, and it will kind of help to thicken up the zesting will. So it's kind of a natural pectin. That plus the whole cherry, you know, you've got your, and I don't really care what type of sugar. It's you know, as long as it's just a good clean sugar. This one I was kind of reading it has bone char free. Who knows what that is? But it's the non-GMO. GMOs are of the devil. So yeah, but it's the Marina Pure Cane Sugar. And the cherries, we got these off of my mom and dad's tree. And on the one tree, we ended up with almost 70 pounds of cherries. So it was pretty awesome. I mean, that's a pretty big stock pot there. But now a lot of it's just time. So now we just wait, boil it down, let it thicken up. And then at the very end of it, we'll do a little bit more on this segment. So, hey, thanks for watching. All right, so now we are back. We zested some lemon peel, pretty much the entire peel off of this section of lemon. And so now we're gonna just give it a squeeze. I'm gonna just try and watch for some seeds so we can get them out of there if we drop one in there. So it doesn't seem like there's very many seeds in this though, but and let's see. And it's starting to boil down and thicken up. I mean, it's got a lot of sugars in there because, you know, you're running with pure fruit. And then we added some sugar too, so it will thicken up. I mean, you could probably make a fruit leather out of this or continue on and just do the jam. So, but yeah, that's the zesting part of it. So this video, I'm going to try and do some editing, tie some videos together. If it doesn't work out good, then, well, I'm sorry. I'll make a ton of videos. All right, and so now we have boiled it down to where it's quite a bit thicker. You can really see it moving. And again, we have it, you know, just a little bit between low and medium, more towards the low side. And now it's time to add the secret ingredient, the brandy. And so now we take a little bit for the jam. And a little bit, I mean, most of the bottle. And then we gotta take a swig for ourselves. And now more back into the, oh, that was a little big swig. And then you just let it kind of simmer down. And over here we've got the water bath going. We're kind of sterilizing some of our jars. And then we will can. So I'm not going to go over that whole step. There's tons of really good videos, really good books about canning. And so this video is mostly about making this awesomeness here. And so, yeah, we'll go ahead and stir that in there. I'll give the kids a nice nap time peanut butter sandwich later. Hee hee hee.